Discover how to maximize your team's efficiency by harnessing the power of advanced AI solutions. Artificial intelligence is transforming businesses worldwide, but is your team taking full advantage of it? Are you using AI to its full potential? Every day, businesses lose valuable time on manual repetitive tasks, data management, content creation, customer interactions. Without the right AI tools, productivity drops and opportunities are missed. Introducing our AI training program designed to help your team work smarter, not harder. Unlike generic courses, we customize our sessions to your business needs, teaching practical, real-world AI applications. What makes this training unique? Tailored training. We focus on your business challenges. Hands-on approach. Learn by doing, not just theory. Time and cost savings. Automate tasks and boost efficiency. No tech skills needed. AI made simple for everyone. Watch anytime at your own pace. From automating meetings with Fireflies to creating stunning designs with Canva and Midjourney, we help you maximize AI's potential. How does it work? Step 1. We analyze your challenges. Step 2. We create a custom training plan. Step 3. We conduct live Zoom sessions with hands-on learning. Step 4. Your team applies AI instantly and sees results. Call to action. Are you ready to unlock AI's full potential for your business? Let's make your team more productive and innovative. Book your free consultation today. iqgroup.com, arielgroup.com.